Thinking of starting your own water filter installation business in Malaysia? With increasing awareness about water quality and health, this is one of the most promising ventures today. More Malaysians are investing in clean and safe drinking water. From households to offices and restaurants, the demand for professional water filter systems continues to rise. And that means big opportunities for entrepreneurs like you. To get started, you'll need to register your business with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM. You can operate as an enterprise or a Sendirian Berhad, depending on your goals and capital. Next, source high-quality filters and equipment from reliable suppliers. Make sure you and your team are trained in installation, maintenance, and after-sales service. Because trust and quality are key to building long-term customer relationships. Don't forget marketing. Build your online presence through social media, Google reviews, and your own website. Offer maintenance packages or free checkups to attract repeat clients. Need help registering your company, handling accounting, or managing compliance? 3E Accounting Malaysia is here to make your business setup easy and stress-free.